Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. If you are new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, mostly around Halloween, some beauty tutorials as you will see today, and a little bit of DIY in between. If you couldn't tell already, today's video is a Valentine's Day tutorial. For those of you who do celebrate Valentine's Day, I am single and forever alone, although my mom gives me little chocolates every Valentine's Day, which is super sweet of her. But if you guys want to see how I did this eye look, which is actually super simple, then just keep watching. Do you see these little heart clips? Do you see this? This is the most extra I've ever been on my channel, or maybe even life actually, now I'm thinking about it. But if you do want to know how I did this, then just keep watching. As this is more than a natural look, as always, I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk as my base and blending that out with my finger. As for my crease, I'm going to be using both Cupcake and Instyler by Makeup Geek. Then I'm only using Cupcake and bringing that down a little bit farther than the initial duo. Once I've achieved my desired blending, I'm taking Poodle from Colourpop and adding that into my crease for some depth. Then blending that out. Taking it again and packing it onto my lid repeatedly to make it as pigmented as possible so it can act as a nice little base for the next step, which is going to be Colourpop Supernova shadow in Moonlit. I'm basically just adding a bunch of this all at once and blending it out with my finger before it dries down, and once it's dried down a bit, then continuing to add a little bit more into the center so it's concentrated, and then diffuse it out, and further blending it away from my crease. If you've seen my video dedicated to these guys, you'll know that once they have dried down, if you try to blend them out, they will definitely flake off, which is actually something I used to my advantage for this. The entirety of the rule that you can always add more but you can't add less has zero power here. I just followed the same steps as I did to my top lid, to my under eye, minus the Supernova shadow though. And for my eyeliner, I wanted it to pop, so I used Drug Lord to make a wing. And then what I would call my attempt at a heart, I guess. I think it does the job. Maybe? I don't know anymore. And to finish up, the Colossal Volume Express Mascara on both the top and bottom lashes. And a black liner in my waterline. You could seriously just add any nude or red lipstick to this, no problem at all, but I chose Candy Ass from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!